Hey everyone, Tim here from Timbo's Food Box. I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. I just received this awesome package and I can't wait to open it. Mosaic is pretty much a vegetarian only company. As you can see on their box, plants on every plate. Does that not tell you that this is a plant-based company? If you're more on the meat end, I still think you should check this place out because they don't just offer meals, they also offer smoothies. So I created a custom box here. So I got some smoothies, as well as some prepackaged meals, and a couple meals for my entire family. So let's get into this box and see what we have to offer. Most of the stuff in here, my wife is gonna eat. I'm more of a carnivore. I love my meat. So vegetarian stuff tends to be a little higher in carbs, and I wanna be high in protein, low in carbs. All right, boom. Oh, this is a pretty hard box. Once again, I feel like I'm so damn short. We are open for service. So the first box I got is 4-cheese broccoli crust pizza. I'm used to having cauliflower crust pizza. Vegetarian, no artificial ingredients. So we got 12 grams of protein right on the top, and it's wheat-free. And I'll read some facts that are on the boxes. So no artificial ingredients, like I just said. Hand-cooked by expert chefs. Made with farm fresh produce. Check that out. Also, the expiration date on this thing, October 2023. So I can put this in the freezer for a pretty long time. All right, onwards. Boom, more frozen stuff. We have Mosaic barbecue seitan spinach crust. S-E-I-T-A-N, seitan. Never heard of it before, but it sounded good because there was barbecue and onions involved. That's the reason I chose this one. It says it's a cauliflower crust, but on the front, it says a spinach crust. So I'm a little confused which one it is. So I'm gonna have to look at it real quick. Quick unboxing here. And look at all of that on there. Can you see that? And you can clearly tell that this is some type of spinach crust from the color. We have more pizza? Yes, we do. We love pizza, so I was trying to pick out a bunch of pizza because everything else we have is steak, and pizza I might eat. All right, so we have a spinach artichoke cauliflower crust pizza. Vegetarian, no artificial ingredients, hand cooked by chefs, made with farm fresh produce. Looks good. Lots and lots of vegetables on top. Check it out. All right, onwards. More box stuff. So we got Brussels sprouts harvest bowl. So I wanted to check out a bowl compared to pizzas. So this is one of their meals. It's one serving. It's not split into two like the pizzas. No artificial ingredients. Keep frozen until ready. Microwave or heat on the stove. All right, let's check it out. Love it. There's no plastic. This is all cardboard. I can recycle everything. That actually looks freaking good. Look at that. Can you see it? It does justice. There is like a piece of plastic covering it, so I don't know if it's gonna really show. I think I found a new company I really like, and I haven't even tasted their food yet. Be sure to click that $20 promotional code that's gonna be in my footer if you wanna save $20 off your first order. It'll be in my description as well as pinned in my comments. I do have another box at the very bottom. This one's very heavy. Ooh, this one's very, very heavy. Look at the size of this sucker. We have the Mosaic broccoli cheddar mac and cheese. Who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? No artificial ingredients. This is huge. This is broccoli mac and cheese. Like, I don't know, you can't really see it because it's frickin' frozen. Does that look good or does that look good? It's also in a metal pan, and I just did the frozen test. It's in the metal pan, so I can probably toss this right in the oven. Onto the fun stuff that I wanted to order. It's quite a few of them. What is this? What is this? We have a Mosaic strawberry tahini smoothie. Vegan, wheat-free. I should also mention everything here in the boxes, everything says vegetarian. Now we say vegan. So I was checking out their website. This is actually like a sippy cup. You can't really see it, but there's a hole there to put a straw. So what you do is fill your cup up with liquid. We recommend almond milk, or at least they recommend almond milk. Pour it into a blender, and then pour it back into the cup once it's all blended up. So you do have to have a blender. I'll also put my favorite blenders in my description below. There's like legit only a few ingredients: strawberries, bananas, dates, sesame seeds, flaxseed, and salt. I love strawberry. Strawberry and banana is my jam. If there's blueberries, even better. What else? We got another smoothie. We have a Mosaic cherry berry smoothie, vegan. Same approach. Add your favorite liquid. Almond milk is my go-to. I love the vanilla unsweetened almond milk. Oh, so good. 260 calories. This is one serving. All right, 6 grams of total fat, 130 milligrams of total sodium. Carbohydrates, we got 51 grams, 31 grams of sugar, 9 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of protein. This one has a little bit more ingredients. So we have dark sweet cherries, strawberries, blackberries, dates, coconut yogurt, spinach, whole grain oats, chia seeds, salt. Contains coconut. So if you're allergic to coconut, this one is not for you. I used to go to the gym every single day and get a protein smoothie afterwards. Back to my smoothie life. Next one. This one sounded really fun, and my son might even love it even more than me. So we got the Mosaic PB&J vegan wheat-free PB&J smoothie. Oh, there's no bread. All right, almond milk once again. That's what they recommend. I'll read the ingredients first. We have bananas, blueberries, spinach, dates, peanuts, coconut, chia seeds, and salt. If you're allergic to peanuts or coconut, PB&J is not for you. You can see it, but you can't see it. Just like the cherry and strawberry, you can't really see it. I would have to pull this apart. And these are going right back in the freezer. My wife loves a green smoothie. So I got a Mosaic Yuzu Greens smoothie. This is a green smoothie. This one they recommend using water, not almond milk. But I bet if you use almond milk or regular milk, it would just probably be a little more creamier. But this is a green smoothie, so I don't know how much flavor you want to alter, so I'd probably use water. That's it, folks. And by the way, it's still cold in the box, even though there's no dry ice. All right, there's a note on the box that I'm just seeing. No dry ice. Yep, I had no dry ice. They say that's okay. It melts along the way. If meals are still cold, they're safe to refreeze. If they're warm, just reach out to us and we'll fix it, no fees. Email us at support@mosaicfoods.com. They stand behind their products, people. If you've been looking at a food box that I do not have already reviewed on my channel, write me a comment down below and I'll consider checking it out and maybe purchasing it myself. I can do the legwork. If it's something I do not support, I'll let you know. I'm gonna be straight with you. Once again, if you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing, and be sure to check out my promotional code in my description and in my comments. You'll save $20 off your first order. Buy one of these boxes. Check it out. If you do not like it, you don't have to get another box. And with that, I hope you're having a great day. You should check out this video right here. YouTube strongly recommends it.